Look at that brim. Seems like the work that I put into this big old printer is starting to pay off. Got a new y-axis motor coming. I found one that was 570 instead of the 425 that I got. Made me a new mount. Where did I put it? Made me a new y-axis mount. I also got some new ones in the brews for the z-axis over here. I've decided to switch and make these blocks so that way I can mount this little guy right there solid onto the bottom side of here, so that way if it were, let's say right here, it's all one solid piece. I guess it would be right here. It's all one solid piece, if you can see. That way it just gives a little bit more rigidity, more solidness. But yeah, no, the Duet is definitely performing pretty good. It's a little bit harder to set up when you're new. I think now that I got it kind of figured out, it probably won't be so bad. But I'm thinking I might have to get a new Y ball screw, because this one kind of seems to be wobbly. I might switch it out with one of my Z ones. I haven't quite decided all the way yet. But I spent a lot of time with that Bluetooth touch getting my grid for this big old giant bed just right. And a lot of work pays off. Cube still goes really good. Got a little bit of layer lift there. This ASA stuff is kind of tricky. Got a decapitation on my big old giant dome. I'm going to try to salvage it. I couldn't do it on the print bed, but I got the top section over here printing off on the CR10, and we got a whole nother one of these. This is the mirrored version on the CR10S4. Got this little tiny pancake motor on my Titan Arrow. Titan Arrow is nice and cool. So once again, seems good, but if you come over here, there's those problems still. Luckily I'm able to fix those problems, but still very annoying. This here is working out very good with this. I'm debating on putting a Duet on the Cube or putting a Duet onto the CR10-4S. Haven't quite decided. Either way, I will be changing out the board on the CR10-4S because, well, I can't have another failed print because of a stupid fan.